Now I am preparing the ingredients and also the tools that I need to actually apply the foam. And it's good that you read your foam because I was gonna to apply it directly, but actually the instruction says that I have to spray the area with water before actually applying it. It also comes with gloves, which I already have mine, but I will use them, which are here, because then I can discard in case my hands touch the foam. I don't have to use the gloves, which I usually use for other scenes. So you should cover your hands, you should put some water before and after the application they mentioned. And also they mentioned that this one is actually half doubling, so I should not apply more than half, which is gonna be really tricky because the cracks are so small, so really knowing which is half and not, it's not gonna be easy, but I will give it a try. And you have to apply like after shaking upside down and no like spray painting bottle. And I wanted to show you this because I was so lucky that I actually saw some days before. Now it's the weekend, so things are not open. But some days before I saw, at some point I will need to put water on the walls. And what's the best way to do it? So I was researching, okay, I can just do with sponge, okay, but maybe it's not so nice because there will be a lot of water which goes to the floor. So then I saw I could make it with a brush, and again, same story. So I went to what is called Ferramenta here in Italy, and the owner was super helpful. So I just go there with all my ideas, and basically he comes up with a lot of solutions. And then I pick the one which I like, which I really love from here, that actually they are so willing to support you. It's not so common that a woman goes and asks for all this stuff, so I found out that he's also like very interested in what I'm actually doing, because this woman who comes don't speak Italian and asks for a lot of crazy things. What the hell is she doing? So sometimes I just stay there telling them what are my plans and why I'm doing what I'm doing, and and then they come up with a lot of offers for help, so I take them too. And I think that's really nice because I actually have no much idea. I have to research a lot about what I'm doing, so it's good to actually have this support. If you are doing something in your house, just rely on these people because they are gonna to actually offer you so much more information than you can actually get on the internet by yourself. So he suggested this bottle, which is a spray bottle. So I said, okay, I could use just one normal one, but this one can be charged, like so you charge it from here, and then you use it from here, and here there's a regulation of the size of the spray amount that you want to use. So that will be actually really convenient now because I have to fill in so little cracks. I don't want to spray so much water, so this will be very useful and will make the shop much more cleaner, and I will need to do a lot of less steps for taking out the dust and water that falls into the floor before